Okay, so you may have seen the last video where we did the driveway with this spray cleaner. If you're interested in this, go back to that driveway video. I'll leave a link down below and above so you can easily get there. That's where we unbox it and we go over, this cleaner and how it looks when cleaning the driveway. Today we're cleaning the Jeep. So we're going to use, of course, some high pressure water, and we're going to use the foam blaster. We're going to clean the engine bay, and then we're going to blast the Jeep with some foam. So y'all stay tuned through this intro, and if you like this channel, subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. Down there, looks like this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to spray down our engine compartment, blasting off any dust and dirt. And basically there's no grease in here, but we just want to clean it, and we're going to use the foam to clean it really well. So anything that is in there, it breaks up and washes off with the next spray down when we rinse it off.
Wait, what can I not hit?
Hit everything.
Okay. Oh, don't hit everything.
Just hit everything.
Okay.
Now we have our palm olive mixture. We put in our foam blaster, and we're going to take and we're going to put this on here. We're going to take this one off, and we're going to slide in our foam blaster some way. There we go. And now we're ready to blast some foam. You ready to foam blast?
You want me to get the top or the engine?
Just the engine compartment. That's
okay.
Dawn mixture.
Okay.
We're going to spray it down good. Yes.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Empty.
Oh, wow.
So if you're using your foam blaster, be sure to dilute your solution in here to recommended standards, because it does blow out pretty quick. But this is all soaked up and ready to go. Now we're going to spray it off, and also the undercarriage. If you want to work on your car and you don't want dirt in your eyes, probably a pretty good solution there. So let's go ahead and take this off. We can load that back up with our other soap mixture that we're going to use on the exterior of the Jeep. Put our wand back in, and we're ready to go.
You didn't put it on.
Almost ready to go. There we go. Now we're ready to go. Okay, so we cleaned out the engine bay. A little rusty, but pretty. And there's no grease on it. And we also cleaned out from under the Jeep. So hopefully that will, next time we have to work under here, we won't have as much crap in our eyes. Now that our engine compartment's complete, we're going to go ahead and rinse off all the dirt on the outside. And then we're going to foam it, we're going to sponge wash it, and rinse it off again. It's best to do it when the sun is low or cloudy, so you don't get as many wire spots and things like that. Okay, so now we're ready to wash the Jeep, or actually put the soap on. We got this Turtle Wax wash and wax, so it should make it all pretty and stuff. How'd that look?
Very cool. Just use up the rest.
Okay. Now wash.
Wash? You want to soak
Wax
this a little-
on, wax off.
You want to soak this a little more?
Sure.
It's snowing.
So after you've sprayed your vehicle and you foamed it, go ahead and wash it real quick. This is why we do it when it's not as sunny, because this isn't drying. And Brian, you get to roll up the mess of hoses and wires. So after you've foamed and scrubbed your Jeep or your car, you want to go ahead and give it that final rinse to make it look all pretty and stuff. Well, he's going to do that. His Jeep.
Go.
Okay guys, we're going to change attachments here. This one's a little bit too tough, so we're going to go with something a little bit more, a little broader spray. This is the 45. Okay, so we got it all cleaned up, and we're going to let this just dry, and we'll show you what it looks like in the morning. Now, we did wax it, we sprayed the engine compartment, and it's pretty, getting pretty dark, so you won't be able to really see anything right now. Okay, so we cleaned the Jeep, we cleaned under the hood, the exterior of the Jeep, and then my son decided to take it off-road. It's all dirty again. This little product works great. And you can see the other videos where we actually do a review of unboxing. And what I really like, especially for cleaning the cars, is the foamer. Saves us so much time. Instead of a bucket, mixing, sponge on, just spray it and wipe it off. It's pretty easy. So this worked out pretty well. If you're looking for this product or products like it, I've left a link down below. These are inexpensive, electric pressure washers. So we've also done previous videos where we go over cleaning the driveway and the unboxing and the assembly and things like that. A lot of fun. If you're looking for great eats, good recipes, check out dininginwithdanielle.com. Wonderful recipes released every week, and link below. Or you can go to chrisdoeswhat.com. Same location. I also try to blog. Not as good of a writer as Danielle is. And if you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there. Looks like this. If you like our channel, subscribe. Also hit the bell for the ad reminder. And y'all please take care.